Here's how we build power distribution at Larson Electronics. The Larson Electronics Power Distribution Substation converts 3-phase 480-volt AC delta electrical current into 3-phase 208Y and 120-volt AC Wye. This unit provides operators the ability to safely tap into and distribute 480-volt AC power from a variety of sources, including generators and direct grid power. This model is equipped with forklift skid pockets, locking casters, and a top-located lifting eyelet. The transformer and load assembly is mounted on a thick carbon steel mounting platform, and the load center distribution assembly is mounted to the carbon steel tubing frame. This unit is designed for serious use and is ruggedly constructed to withstand demanding conditions and heavy-duty industrial applications. All equipment is NEMA 3R rated for indoor and outdoor use and provides a degree of protection against dirt, water, and ice. At Larson Electronics, we do more than meet your lighting needs. Contact us today.